Guys, Sak here from sakitech, and in today's video we are going to be sharing some incredible wallpapers, and I'm talking about wallpapers just like this one right over here for your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So let's dive in and get started right away. And here's just one more example of one of the gorgeous wallpapers we're going to be sharing in this video. So to download these wallpapers, what you want to do is you want to click the link down below. Once you click the link, you are going to be at my website. Once you're at the website, all you want to do is scroll down and you can see all the wallpapers are listed like this. So let's start with wallpaper number 1. And also make sure to check the second link out, which gets you some great deals on Samsung Galaxy tablets at Samsung.com. But anyway, for wallpaper number 1, click the link. They'll take you to the wallpaper store, Samsung wallpaper store. So this one is the animated blackish wallpaper. Tap on download. Once it's done, tap on apply. Let's see what this one looks like on the actual screen. One of my favorites for sure. Look at this. We have the universe in the back, and we have this beautiful animated symbol on the front. So makes your phone look super cool. So that's number 1. Go back to the website. Number 2 is going to be the animated gold wallpaper. Now that's the one you saw in the very beginning. This is probably my most favorite for this video. So look at this. Really beautiful, clean, high definition video wallpaper for the lock screen. Okay, beautiful. Let's go back here. Number 3 is the mechanical watch. Actually, I'm sorry, I think this one is my favorite. Tap on apply. The only thing I wish was true was if it was a real watch. But regardless, it looks absolutely gorgeous. Super clean, lots of detail, high definition, looks beautiful. Let's go back outside. Tap on this one right here at the website. Grab wallpaper number 4. That is the live lion wallpaper. Okay, so some of you guys might actually like this one more than anything else. You can see it is beautiful. Let's just let this play through. Very, very nice. It's really cool to have these on your lock screen in this nice, clean, high-definition format. And finally, wallpaper number 5 is a technology network. Click the link. You're at the website. Tap on download, and then tap on apply. Okay, let's see what this one looks like on the lock screen. So this happens to be a technological network. And as the name implies, it's a network and it looks really, really nice, as you can see. So that's it. 5 wallpapers. Any questions, comments, or concerns? Drop them down below. Let me know. For now, guys, have a fantastic day, all right?